Streaming again. I don't know what was going on earlier today. I think it's a bad internet connection or something. I can't believe it dropped out of nowhere. It was wild. Tried reconnecting but never could. Bit rates were like 500k. It was terrible. Anyway, back at it. I did keep coding when I wasn't streaming. And right now I'm still kind of working on this slice here. Um, actually, so I have the command, the event. I've got the tests in place. I've been working on the UI, and let me show you this pig. Oh man, look at that. So this kind of represents this mock-up here. Definitely ugly. Um, I'll put some lipstick on it later. I'm really worried, just more concerned about the functionality right now. Yeah. So let's see what I've been doing. I actually wanted kind of to test out this whole flow, so I'm really kind of implementing these first couple slices in parallel. I'll probably put them in different branches, keep them separate and isolated. But this is my first real use of Elixir and Phoenix and Heeks, learning Heeks templating. So, anyway, let's get back into it. This is what we got. So right now, this button, these buttons don't do anything. We click select here. Oh, and it's broken. What did I break? ID. The key ID is not found in the connection. All right, let's figure this out. Let's see here. So the home page. So this is the home page here. We have that div. You know, here's the 1 hour workshop. Here's the remote workshop. Here's the on site workshop. It's using some function components here. These are just the built in ones that Phoenix scaffolds for you. Simple form and button. That's a submit. I'm going to post it to the home. So let's look at the router. So post home. That should be handled by the start remote workshop registration action. Go to page controller, start remote workshop. New. Is it not like? So I created this new function, basically like a constructor function on start remote workshop registration. And that really is just initializing this structure with a generated UUID. Nothing special there. So what is this error saying? We did receive the command. Oh, it's trying to transition to contact info. What? Go back to the router. So remote workshop registration. We get the command, it generates an ID. We dispatch the command. I want to actually get the event result. That's why I'm using this include execution result true, because it returns back this execute commanded execution result structure. And within it, there's an events key that has the events that were just written. It's matching here. should match. Oh, doesn't like that. What is the error key not found? What? Let me try this again. See what it's. Let's see what the network tab is saying it's trying to do. Boom. And then it does a redirect. It passes the ID correctly to contact info. Okay. So if we go to the router to ID contact info, a GET request. We're gonna go collect contact info. Collect contact info. Go. It really doesn't do anything. It's just rendering this collect contact info page. Not using a layout, and it's providing a change set. Oh, I'll be right back. The dog needs to go outside. Hang on. Sunny day. She just wants to go lay out on the couch outside. I forgot I should probably pull up the stream chat here in case anybody is wanting to talk to me. Nope, nobody's saying anything yet. Okay. Let's complain about. Oh, that ID. Need to get it in the assigns. Yes, that makes sense. So, how does this work? I need to look at the documentation. What do I see? Elixir, Phoenix, controller, signs. Oh, I just pass it in to the render. Oh, yeah, that makes sense. So the ID should be sitting here in the params. I'm pretty sure. Because when we, yeah, it is. So when the collect contact info page is that action is invoked, logs the parameters. We have the ID. It's right there. So what we can do here is say ID equals ID. Just leave it like that. And then I'll say ID equals ID there. And let's give that a go. I think that'll fix it. I think. The fan just started going crazy. Anyway. Here we go. No function clause matching. All arguments were given to collect contact information. Oh, I see. I see. The string map. This is a string map for the params. So what I need to do instead is go ID and then do this arrow. It's not an atom to a string, it's string to a string. So there, oh, beautiful, beautiful. Close that down. So now when we click remote workshop, click select, it goes here. You see it generated an identifier. We've been redirected to the contact info page. So this is where we're going to collect the contact information. This also looks really ugly. Probably need to shrink it down, center it, put some chrome all around it. We'll get there. So that does nothing. No 1 hour workshops, no on-site workshops. And if I click this again, yep, now it's F605. Try it again. FEB8, yeah, so it's generated a new one every time. Right, let's look at that in Postgres. I've tried this out a bunch of times already, so let's look at the event. Holy cow, I've started lots of remote workshops. Great. Let's also do select star from, what is the table? Is it stream events? Yep. So, oh, it keeps. Okay, stream ID 0 must be the all stream or the global stream. Yeah, because then it links to the stream. Stream ID 13 represented. Okay, cool. Yeah, so we're getting events. 22 registrations. Great. Okay, so let's kind of walk through this here. Going back to the router. This is just going to be on the home page. So I have my GET request, and then when you post, I'm going to need to change this for the other ones eventually. But we post, it's going to call the Start Remote Workshop registration action on the page controller. Go to page controller here. Start Remote Workshop registration. Put a comment in here like, there's no real form validation here. You click the button, it makes the request. So we new up a command that's going to give us a unique ID. Then we're going to dispatch that command and get the execution result. On success, we're going to do some pattern matching on that execution result so that we can extract the ID from the generated event. Then we're going to just do a redirect over to this remote workshop registration / the ID / contact info. If this failed, I don't actually know why it would fail. But under normal circumstances, it shouldn't. But it could. And things always fail, especially in computing. So if it does error, I'm going to pattern match there, get the reason, and then I'm going to put a flash message up there. It says error, and just dump out the reason in the error message. If maybe I need to make it more user friendly. And then I'm just going to re-render the home page. Again, easy peasy. Let's actually try this out. Let's comment that out. let's add a new case and let's just hard code. Let's say an error happened. Boom shakalaka. Something went wrong. Okay, we do that. Now, if I click here, I'm expecting a little toast notification to pop up here. Haha! Boom shakalaka, something went wrong. Right. Cool. Get rid of that. I don't really want to do that. Okay. Then, so then a redirect, that's going to be a GET request over to the collect contact info page. So that is that. I have the ID encoded in the URL. All right. And then I've set up a post as well, and the next one. So what do I want to do here? I actually think I could either spend some time making that homepage a little bit prettier. This select your option page a little bit prettier. Actually, I should probably bring in my whole website here and actually get this working. But in the meantime, yeah, I'm just going to commit what I have now, kind of as a work in progress. And then I'll probably start a new branch and bring in all of this content here. Yeah, do that. That'll be a fun little activity for the afternoon. Okay, so let's commit this stuff. Let's see here. Yeah, I added that new command. Oh, somebody's pinging me. 1 second. Oh, yeah. Sorry, I got to end this early. I forgot I had a meeting coming up. Just an ad hoc one. So I'm going to kill the stream, and I'll be back in a bit. Peace.